Welcome, family. Welcome, new family members. Welcome to the family. This is what we're making today. Air fryer mozzarella sticks. Yum. Come join me. Okay, we're going to make mozzarella sticks in the air fryer. And I'm going by the recipe, so I got 3 large eggs here, and I'm going to add, 2 tablespoons of milk, but I've got to use up my cream, so I'm putting 2 tablespoons of cream in it. That's what we're gonna do. 2 tablespoons of cream. Okay, we're gonna mix this up. Okay, now we're going to add, I bought breadcrumbs already with the Italian seasoning. So we're gonna add in another separate bowl. We're going to add 1.5 cups of breadcrumbs. And if all you have is plain breadcrumbs, then just add Italian seasoning. Add like a 1.5 teaspoons of Italian seasoning. So it says 1.5 cups, but I'm gonna put 2 cups in there because you always need more. Now I'm gonna add some garlic powder. Probably about 1 teaspoon. And some black pepper. And some salt. Now, I'm going to stir that up. Get that stirred up. Now, here's another bowl that we're going to put flour in. We're just going to put all-purpose flour in there. That's just plain all-purpose flour. I have to get this out of here without making a big mess, which is pretty hard for me. I like to make messes. And I have a cup in there, but we'll see. I'll keep it out in case I need more. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna line that thing with parchment paper. Okay. String cheese, which I've been hiding from my husband because he can munch on them after I make these. This is a middle of the night snack for him. But there'll be some left over for him. Okay. Now, I need 24 of these, and it says to cut them in half, but you know what? I think I'm gonna leave them like this. I don't think. I hope everybody had a good day. I had a wonderful day. I got to drive to a meeting. It was a long day, but went to a meeting and I drove, let's see, 166 miles, but it was fun. We had kind of a going away meeting for our supervisor is leaving, which is really sad. You know, you get to really love somebody, but you know what? Everybody has a purpose and they got to keep going, whatever their purpose is. You got to let them go, because you can't mess with God's purpose. That's 7. Let's do this 8. So yeah, it was a long drive. It's finally that heat. That heat that was in the south has finally come to the north here. So it was 95 today. So that was okay. It's not gonna last long. It's just until the weekend. And today is my baby girl's birthday. It's your birthday today. It's her birthday today. Here, you want to say hi? Here, say hi to everybody. Say hi. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, big girl. 8 years old today. What? Oh, you got wrapper, cheese wrapper, huh? Oops, I just dropped a whole bunch here. Here you go. Here you go. Happy birthday. Come here. Hey, baby girl. Hey, never mind the wrapper when the real thing is here. Yeah. So anyway, yes, it's her birthday today. We adopted her 3 years ago. And it's like she's always been with us. I'm sure she was an adorable puppy. That's 11. That's 12. I don't think I'm going to make 24 though. I don't know, my husband probably could eat 24. 13. 14. Yeah, she was really upset that I left this morning. She had a really rough night. She kept Daddy and I awake last night because the military base that we live by is, well, it's like a training base. They were practicing all night, booming and booming and booming, so she was having a panic attack all night. And she gets like this far from your face, just pants and pants. We gave her CBD oil and that calmed her down a little bit, but poor baby. So it was a long night. All right, I think I'm gonna stay with this, and then that way my husband has a whole bunch just to munch on. Okay, so now what we do is, all right, we'll figure this out. Supposed to dip them in the flour, set them aside. Okay, we can do that. We can do that. So, yeah, then of course I had to stop at my, on the way back, I had to stop at the meat market that I love so much. I live like 30 miles from it, so whenever I go that way, I like to stop. And I bought they have a favorite recipe that they're pretty famous for wild rice meatloaf burger. So I got that, and I asked them if I could make it and put it on my YouTube channel, and they said, yeah, do that. So that's what we're gonna do. So, okay, next what we're going to do is, okay, we're going to dip these in the egg wash, then the breadcrumbs, back in the egg wash, and back in the breadcrumbs. And back on the thing here. All right, so let's do that. Egg wash, breadcrumbs. Egg wash, breadcrumbs. Ugh. Wow, that's a lot of breadcrumbs. Okay, we'll put them back there. Okay, egg wash, breadcrumbs. Egg wash. Here we go. Double dip. Okay, next we're going to place these in the freezer until they're frozen. Like an hour. And we'll be back. Okay, I preheated the air fryer for 5 minutes. 360. Now I'm going to, first I have to spray the basket with, I use olive oil. And I'm keeping these in the freezer as I'm frying them. Put them in there frozen. You don't put them in there thawed out, but you put them in there in single layer. See how many we can get in there. And then we're going to air fry them on 360 for 5 minutes. And this is all I could get in there right now. So we're going to put these back in the freezer. These 5 minutes, we're going to check them. Oops, hold up. I forgot to spray the tops of them. All right, now we can put them in there for 5 minutes. 5 minutes, there we go. Do I look like I'm melting yet? I am. Baby girl. Mom is melting. I have turned the air conditioner off so you can hear me. So, but we're gonna be okay. Now we're gonna check it. It's been 5 minutes. Now we're gonna shake them. Now, just to be safe, 1 to 3 more minutes, but we want it 1 more minute. We want to keep checking so they don't burst. Okay, we're going to check them. I'm going to give them 1 more minute. I wanted to share this too because I have it hanging on my wall. Just as a reminder, because we're human beings. And you know, I'm not sure who said this, but it's your job is not to judge. Your job is not to figure out if someone deserves something or decide who is right or wrong. Your job is to lift the fallen, restore the broken, and heal the hurting. I love that. Okay, let's check them. You know what? I think they're ready because they're starting to melt. See, we don't want them popping out like that. So we're going to take these out. And then we're going to do the second batch. Oops. Wow. Okay. So we're looking at like 5 minutes, 6, 7 minutes. All right, I'm gonna spray this again for the second batch. We're gonna do this again. Okay. 360, 5 minutes. Go. Voila. And that second batch is all we needed. Oh, you know what I forgot to do? Yeah. How come you didn't yell at me? Forgot to spray them. See? Oh, it's a good thing I don't know. The Lord reminds me of stuff all the time. Okay, how many do you want?
2.
2?
Carrot 2. They look massive.
They are.
He's trying.
No, not yet. Okay, this is the last bunch.
Oh, baby, they're delicious. Woohoo!
Are they really good?
Oh, they're so good.
Oh, good. Well, I got an A+ on that one, 100%. He says they're delicious. They're delicious. Because he is a picky Parker. Alright. We got it. And never ever forget to unplug your appliances. Unplug, unplug, unplug. Look at that. Look at that. I mean, that's supper. We don't need anything else with this. We got our protein and our carbohydrates. And I can have a smoothie as a fruit. Thank you for joining me today for air fryer mozzarella sticks. And I got oh baby, these are good for my husband, so I know they're good if he likes them. I'm gonna try one. I'm just gonna, I don't know if I don't want hot. Okay. There must be cheese in heaven. Gotta be. My birthday girl's gonna get a piece of this. So, thank you for subscribing. If you're just stopping by, go ahead and subscribe and enjoy all the comfort foods we make and more. Flower gardens, whatever I do, I'll upload. And we'll see you next time for something different. And remember, stay busy and serve others. Bye for now.